Hey you guys, what's up? My name is Delilah, if you guys don't know already. Today I'm going to be filming following a Sonjdradeluxe makeup tutorial. My friend suggested that I do this video. Peter, I love you. I miss you so much. He suggested that I filmed this video because we didn't really see anyone recreate a Sonjdradeluxe video. Two, she's my favorite YouTuber. I love her so freaking much. She's so nonchalant, chill, mellowed out, and I feel like I have similar characteristics as her because she comes off very genuine in her videos, and I'm not about that whole hi and welcome back to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing. She has such a unique face. She's so beautiful. She's a woman of color. I just vibe with her. I really do. So if you're watching, I love you. Oh my god. The video that I'm gonna choose is the Snatch Date Night makeup tutorial because she is looking so beautiful in her thumbnail, and I'm all about, you know, a really cute, sultry date night look, even though I'm single as fuck.
Hey everybody, it's Sonjdradeluxe, and today I'm doing this sexy date night makeup tutorial. A little bit of exaggeration of your natural features and a nice, soft, natural-ish.
Mind you, I was trying to do my hair like that. Trying to do the loose waves with my hair, and I messed it up. So this is why I ended up with two buns.
Look, for a date, or if you just want to be a sexy beast. I'm going to start out bare face, and today I'm going to use my Gleam by Melanie Mills Peach Deluxe and Deep Gold Body
I don't have Peach Deluxe.
I want to look a little bit
I'm
more
sorry.
tan.
But I'm going to use the... Damn, which one is this? Damn, it's rubbed off.
I'm going to take the Peach Deluxe and a blending brush. This is a waiver brush. I have to figure out what it's called. And I'm just buffing that in the center.
And a blending brush? All of them are dirty. Can I use my beauty blender? I'm using my beauty blender. Oh. Did I put too much? No, she said in the center of her face. Hopefully.
My face to kind of blur any texture or pores, any of that kind of thing, and give myself a nice even base. And I'm going to go over with the deep gold in the areas I kind of want to...
Wait a minute. I'm not even done, girl. Ready? Action.
Contour. This is not a contour. This is just adding warmth.
Okay, yeah, right. She's doing that. Fuck, I don't want to... I'm just going to have to use a brush because she's using brushes in this video. She usually uses her hands. What's going on? Since I don't have a darker Gleam by Melanie Mills, I'm gonna mix my Lancome foundation in 540, and I'm gonna use my Sephora multitasker brush.
Gold in the areas I kind of want to contour. This is not a contour. This is just adding warmth to the areas that the sun might hit first, and I'll give that a finger blend. This is also going to give a nice radiance to the skin so you look like you are glowing. Okay. And I am unfortunately still dealing with a rash on my face, so I want to do the most today for skin. Next, I'm going to go into the Pro Longwear Foundation by MAC in the color NW43, which is a warm tone, and I'm going to put that on over top of the body radiance I just did. This will stay on all night.
Whoa. Oh wow, this, okay. This feels crazy. I look very orange. Then she's gonna put her foundation. I'm gonna use the All Hours foundation because I don't have MAC foundation. Okay, all over.
Whatever time your date is, and I'm gonna give that a finger blend. I like to use my fingers because it just kind of fills everything in, as in pores, texture, and warms it up to my body temperature so it won't move or settle or crease or whatever. And I'm going to do that in layers so that I get it everywhere, and I'm blending it in kind of all over, massaging it into the skin. I do like to use other like brushes or no, I don't. Next I'm going to go into the Studio Finish by MAC. It's a concealer and it is full coverage, and this is in the shade NW25.
I'm gonna use my IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer in Deep mixed with a little bit of medium tan. I'm gonna do this with my fingers with these nails. Oh no, I can't. That looks nice.
Is a peach undertone.
Oh, but hers is a lot lighter than mine. Okay, I'm gonna mix it with my Kevin Aquan. This finger trick is bomb.
And I'm just kind of tapping that on to set it in and going in the highest points of my face. Next, with my Morphe E62 brush and my Nova highlighter from Melt Cosmetics, I'm going to do a really soft highlight.
We're going to use this angled brush to apply the highlighter. I'm going to use my MAC Tan pigment because that's the one I've really been loving lately, and I don't have what she has because I don't get PR.
Today, so I'm using this darker one first. I used to use two highlighters in the past, and now that I'm going for kind of like a softer highlight, I'm using this to kind of warm up my skin tone and highlight anywhere I want to have that glow without looking too highlighted and frosty. And it's a little darker, so it'll give me a little bit of warmth. I'm also going to go in with the Dior Nude Skin Air Show highlighter, the same brush, and I'm going to highlight the highest points of my face, so just the top of the cheekbones, down the center of the nose, top of the lip. And the same brush, I'm going to go into my...
She mixes two, so I'm gonna use the Artist Couture highlighter. Do exactly what she did. Wow, this looks really, really pretty. I used to have the Makeup Forever bronzer, but I have the Sephora collection. Micro Smooth in Deep.
Makeup Forever Pro Fusion Bronze in 35i. All of these products I'm putting on my face are kind of more of a natural finish or skin finish. I want to look nice and glowy. I want the contour to move with me, the bronziness to move with me. I want to look nice and glowy, but I also want to have a very flawless finish. And because my skin has a bit of texture, I'm using a synthetic brush to do all of this, so it kind of smooths the product into my skin rather than dusting it on all over top. Because I use a long-wearing foundation, I do not set my foundation at all. It kind of sets on its own, and especially with all of these long-wearing skin finish formulas, I don't need to set anything. Next, with my Morphe M5 and 6 brush and the Makeup Forever Pro Fusion Bronze in 30M, and I'm gonna contour the nose and darken up the creases of my eyes. This is a bit of a cooler tone, so it doesn't go red. Sometimes I find when I use the same contour on my cheeks and my nose, it goes a little warm because I use bronzer, so I like to use a cooler tone bronzer on my nose and in the crease of my eyes. And I wouldn't typically...
She contoured her eyes, didn't she?
Both colors, but for different reasons. Next, contour on my cheeks and my nose. It goes a little warm because I use bronzer, so I like to use a cooler.
Oh, I learned something.
Next, with the Morphe E62 brush, that's the same brush as I've been using the whole time, and Love Thing blush by MAC.
I have that. Okay.
Morphe E62 brush, that's the same brush as I've been using the whole time, and Love Thing blush by MAC. It's a mineralized skin finish, so it has a little bit of curl and a beautiful plummy rosiness. I'm gonna blend that on the apples of my cheeks.
I already done my brows,
that is left in the brows for foundation or whatever. O2 brush by Smith Cosmetics. A little bit of a lift. This is just my concealer mixed with my foundation, so it's not too wet.
I didn't do that.
And I'm not going to dip the brush again, but whatever's left over, I'm just going to lightly swipe on the very top to clean it up a little bit. I don't want it to be too halo-y. Next, with the Too Faced I Want Candy.
Okay, how did she blend this out? She didn't even show me.
Palette by Candy Johnson. She's an OG of YouTube.
Yes, she is.
Very much. I'm gonna go in with the color Cream Puff, and I'm gonna use that to absorb any
Wait. Gonna go into Warm Taupe. I'm gonna mix that with Golden Ochre because Warm Taupe is too dark for me. There we go.
I'm going to go in with the banana cream pie to highlight my eyelid and to open up that eyelid space a bit. With raspberry cocoa, I'm going to go on the outer third of my eye and slightly into the crease, buff it into the center-ish. And I'm just using this because it's a nice romantic rosy color and I think it's really beautiful to add a little drama. I usually don't use colors like these. This is like a perfect balance of warm and cool together. With the shade Hot Chocolate, I'm going to add in a bit of the drama, blowing it out quite a bit. I'm using a small brush, write it in the description box.
I'm using Buon Fresco in the Modern Renaissance and a mauve color in the Sephora Pro palette. I'm gonna use
Brush, and I'm going to carve out the outer V just so my eyelids are a little bit more sultry, keeping that classic cat eye shape I kind of do because it suits my eyes and makes them look bigger and a little bit more smexy. I'm going to wing it out, and I'm keeping everything nice and soft so that you can't really see where you started or where you stopped. It just looks nice and buffed out and smooth. Liner in black licorice rope. I'm going to go along my eyelid really close to my lash line. This is a brush I've never used before. I guess it's not a brush. Anyways, the applicator. It's kind of like a little angled felt tip. It's really unique, so I was being a little bit cautious when I was doing my eyeliner and trying to keep it nice and smooth. It's my first time using it, so I was like a little nervous, but once you get the hang of it, it's actually amazing for really beautiful sharp lines. And this eyeliner actually
fuck. I did it too thick.
I'm going to go in with the velour lashes in see-through and the Dior Show Blackout Mascara. First, I like to put the glue on my lashes, then do my top.
I'm gonna use my Benefit Blackout Mascara. This is my favorite mascara at the moment. There's vitamins in it. It helps with lengthening, volumizing, combs out the lashes, and it conditions your lashes as well, so it makes them stronger.
First, I like to put the glue on my lashes, then do my top lashes. I started to do my bottom and then I realized.
Okay, I'm gonna use Huda Beauty Bombshell. I'm gonna use a little bit of retro. I'm gonna dab that because it's like a peachy, like a brown peachy shade. So just gonna add a little bit of that brown bombshell.
Very perfect for our theme today. I'm going to fill in my lips. Looks like I'm going slow, but I'm trying to do it quickly before it totally dries because I'm actually going to align my lips with the NARS lip liner in Cassis. And I want to do this while my lips are still wet because that'll help me with my ombre.
Oh, thank gosh, she's using a brown lip. Jesus.
All you want, the LL Cool J and the lipstick will not come off. And this was a suggestion from my last video. I asked you guys what you wanted to see. Let me know what you guys want to see next and any Halloween video ideas. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to share, subscribe, and follow. Love yourself. Stay pretty. Happy date night.
Oh, I did pretty good. What do you guys think? I really like it. It's so different, but wow, this is really pretty. I like the way this came out. It's so natural. Wow, this is gorgeous. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like it? It's so beautiful. Leave a comment down below. Give my video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. You already know. Subscribe if you're not. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys very soon.